Getting ready for an install. My boy Vale, we gonna do his sod and irrigation install today. Yes, sir. Well, what are you doing right now?
We're adjusting the sprinklers to cover all the new grass we put down. Making sure everything gets double covered.
¿Y ahí qué hace ahí? ¿Qué está haciendo ahí?
Buscando la pipa para correr la línea.
Looking for the pipe so we can connect into the new line. What we got going on today, bro?
We're going to be installing irrigation today. We're looking for the main line right now, which we just found it. So we're going to tie into it and then run our irrigation water.
All right.
Yeah, we're about to put in a sleeve under that concrete. They didn't put in a sleeve, so we're gonna have to wash sleeve under there, and then to be able to run our irrigation across the driveway.
All right. I'm trying to put the sleeve right now. Underneath this concrete, we're just gonna run the pipe through it so it can get on this other side of the concrete.
Wash it under there.
We finally got the sleeve underneath this concrete. Our second attempt. We're going to work on this side of it. It was too hard underneath. Let's try to get it through there. But we got it on this side. One's already trenched on the other side of the concrete. All we got to do is clean it up. Now that we got all the holes digged and cleaned up, what we doing next?
Now we're fixing to lay the pipe and go ahead and divide the zones. We're gonna put in 5 sprinklers per zone, and so that's where we're on that.
So we're about to start laying down the pipe.
Yep.
All right. So you already dug all the way to the pump over there?
Yeah, we already ran the main line to the well. So now we just got to tie it in and then run the zone.
Now that we're almost done laying down the pipe, Juan and Roger, they're about to start connecting the pipes so we can add on to the sprinkler. And then on the other side too, we're gonna put sprinklers on that side also. What are you doing right here, Juan?
I'm tying into the main line so we can run our to our manifold, the main line to the manifold to the irrigation.
Just got done putting down the pipe from the to the main line, and what are you doing now, huh? Right here.
Working on our manifolds now on the valve.
And that one's gonna take what, 2 lines?
We're gonna put in 3 zones right here, for 2 for the rotors and then 1 for the drip for the plant.
Roger's setting up the sprinklers already. He's putting up, he's laying the pipe in, putting the sprinklers on. Juan's fixing the valve over here. All right.
Yeah, but over there.
What are we doing now, Juan?
We're fixing to flush the zone.
Flush zone.
Check, make sure nothing's clogged up.
Okay. Yeah. So Roger just got done putting the sprinklers on. I think he got one more, but he's already done putting the sprinkler. All we got left is putting the dirt back in there, covering it back up, leveling it. Juan, he's already starting to till the side right there, so the grass can go there. we doing this right now?
About late sod. Listen, late sod. La recta.
The sod is here. We're about to start laying it out. Before we start laying the sod, we have to rake this up, level it. Now that it's leveled and graded, we are now about to start pulling down the sod. Good sod too. Look at that. Started laying out the sod already. Real nice, huh? Just got done putting the 2 pallets down. We're about to start on that side, the other side of the concrete, and put those 3 over there. And right here on the edges, we're gonna cut the edges off so it can have a straight circle curve line going around the edges, so it won't be all square on the edges like this. So yeah, it's looking good. That's some real nice grass here. Now we're gonna start on this and put the upper pallets. You already done there?
Yeah, we got right here. So we got 3 zones, and then we're gonna put 2 zones together. The well is has pretty good pressure, so we're just gonna combine that together and just run them all at one time, and then we'll put the drip zone separate. Now it's time to program it.
All right.
Wiring up our zones. We want to make sure we got enough slack on all of them, just in case any repairs. And have some extra wires for if you want to add on. Sometimes like customers want to add on and want to make sure we got extra wires.
Yeah, I noticed there's people that don't, when they put that in there, they don't have enough cable to work with afterwards.
Yeah, we always make sure we got plenty. That's our manifold right there. Put some rocks in there on the bottom. Don't get dirt in the valves. Our main ball valve, our own main shut off is right here. You got a problem down the road, you want to just come right here. You got your ball valve. Shut the whole system off and leave the water on inside the home. So there it is, finishing up.
Here finishing up at Valentin's. This tire's already laid down. Right here. First thing, I want to thank our boy Valentin, Valentin from Ventura's Custom Decks and Porches. He gave us this opportunity so we can do his property, put pipe down and sprinklers and install some sod. But yo, we're already done here. We're just checking the sprinklers, make sure everything's working, make sure everything is going the right direction, and getting all the grass that we put down. But thank you, Valley. Those sprinklers do got some good pressure. They're running good. Here with the Stratus Lawn and Irrigation LLC, we are already done with Violet's yard. Man, grass is looking nice. The sprinklers are already set.